What's adobo? Hello, my name is Castro and welcome to Ka-Kit-Chen. On this channel, we help people prepare delicious home-cooked meals. If you're new to this channel, thank you for watching. And if you find the video helpful, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified once there's a new video available. For this season's Ka-Kit-Chen, we will upload a new episode every Sunday evening. By the way, shout out to our current subscribers. And now, let's cook our yummy dish for this episode, Adobong Tahong. So, let's go! Let's go, Ka-Kit-Chen! Alright, and we are now ready to cook our Adobong Tahong. So, we are gonna put the garlic, preheat already. Woohoo! It's a little golden brown. Alright, so... Ooh. A little bit hot. Okay, vinegar and add the soy sauce. Now we can also put the bay leaf and then wait for it to steam. Hey, have you asked yourself this question before? What's adobo? The word adobo is derived from the Spanish word ADOBAR, which means marinade or pickling sauce. In the earlier times in the Philippines, they used vinegar to preserve food. Nowadays, when we say adobo, we refer to it as a dish. Filipinos are known for a lot of stuff. Love for sports, beauty contests, being hospitable, teleseries, medical field, and of course, adobo. Actually, we have a lot of adobo dishes. Let me ask you, what's your favorite adobo dish? I grew up in Manila, in a city called Navotas, Manila's fish port. I grew up loving to eat smoked millfish or tinapang bangus, and also tinolang tahong. In that area, seafood is fresh and prices are incredibly cheap, like oysters and mussels. I recall that about more than a decade ago, when we went to a fresh market, a tabo of mussels cost about 20 pesos or 20 cents. Very good. We are done. We conclude our episode. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you in our next video. Let's go, Ka-Kit-Chen!